got him, man. This way. Okay, let's kill the teleporter boss now.
Wait, I'm still farming, bro. Still going crazy. Get the items. Okay, you guys got these.
The farming goes crazy, guys. This game is like so good. The farming goes. I can't stop farming like it's like 50 times. I will.
Am I gonna touch myself?
Okay. Am I gonna touch
Since
myself?
we're all pure.
Oh god.
Okay, just to check, I'm gonna go down here. I don't think he was down
Gel,
here.
boss
The
keser.
other void crab.
Nerede?
Arkandayım.
Bu mu?
Bekle başlatmadan. Shift destination. Wait, you can change it.
Yeah, you know what we did? No, you don't need to do that. We literally did this like so many times though.
I did,
How
but
did you
I didn't know what it did.
Oh, Obama, the blue thing. Oh no, wait, you already got that.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. Let's go. Ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where's the guy?
Aa, bu da geldi.
Yeah, don't. Okay. Yeah, bro, my stuff does so much damage. What the heck? Okay, fire is.
Bunu
crazy.
kullanmayacağız bu arada. Bu teleporttan geçmeyeceğiz yani.
Ha.
Okay, let's. Yeah,
Aşağıdaki portalı kullanacağız. You gotta charge the teleporter first, I think.
Oh yeah, wait. That's really bad. Can I get back up now? We're actually not. Yeah,
Bunu charge'layacağız, diğerlerini kullanacağız şimdi.
Tamam.
I need the fusion cell as well.
yeah, but did you? Yeah, I mean, we need a lot of the void items, but this far into the run, we haven't gotten any
Yeah.
that many void thingies. We gotta go more. For some reason, it's already been 40 minutes. I don't even know when the time passed. to be fair.
I was gonna say the same thing, to be honest. I thought it was like 45. What the fuck? We didn't hear it. Nah, we didn't. Haha. Then haha.
And I feel everything went by so fast.
Yeah, because we're so used to it now, I guess.
Oh, this is where the other void cradle was in
Oh,
the
my
end, but
days.
there's nothing.
Dude, why
Yeah.
doesn't it give anything though? It's like literally completely
What
by
the
luck.
Yeah. I was like, I found them.
Okay.
Still looking around a bit, but I just found 2 chests and something useless.
Hey guys, I'm retarded.
Baran bu ne işe yarıyor ya?
Hangisi?
I'll do it for you,
Boş-
Kerem. Wait one
Boşluk.
second.
Okay.
There we go. Take it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go down now.
I am down.
Anladım şimdi ne olduğunu.
Let me look real quick.
I'm gonna do it, don't worry.
Okay.
Oh my fucking.
Aa!
Like, dude, I'm trying to record, right, and then, like, a friend of mine sent me a big dick nigger, and it just fucking showed off out of nowhere.
Oh, GG, bro. I love
I'm getting
that.
banned, so I'm getting swarms, right?
Soul Death Storms, and then which one was that? Sacrifice was that one. Yeah, get Storms first.
So do I have to do it like, do I have to look right there, or just look it like this?
You gotta do it from here, like, this is the top left corner. So this is circle, circle, and then triangle.
Oh, okay,
Up here. Circle, circle, triangle, and that's how you do it for all of them.
let's see. Wait, triangle. Triangle, fucking something.
What do you mean something?
Triangle again. And this.
Açıldı mı?
Are we go to gang?
Oh, hello,
gee.
Svante.
Is this gonna work, gang?
Did you just come now? Or Svante home?
Can you start talking?
He's mute.
What?
Are you okay?
What the fuck did I see?
This guy is drunk as shit.
Oh man.
Hey man, bro. I say.
Yo, it's the evil smile again. Look at him.
Olursun.
Alırsın,
GG.
alırsın.
GG. What do you want, bro? What's up?
I'm on my way home, man. I need some company, man.
Okay, don't worry. I'll report it to the
Got
Swedish. You died.
Tamam Baran şey buluyorduk değil mi bununla?
Aynen öyle.
Kardeşim.
Kardeşim.
The Kardashians?
No.
Kardeşim.
Oh no, Angelina Jolie.
Exactly.
Is this dog one guy? Is he playing?
Yeah, he's playing with us.
Oh. What did he buy on Steam though?
No, Epic Games. You gotta link your Epic Games account.
Oh, hell no, bro. Get this guy.
Yeah.
Bro. What's his name though? So I can like tell.
What did you say?
What's his guy name?
Ram, bro. Ram.
Kerem.
Bro, Karam, why Epic Games?
It's way cheaper, by the way. I mean, I kinda got
Doge.
scammed. I really got scammed.
Really? How much money was it compared
So
to like
much less. Like it's like 250 to 220. It's like
Oh, yeah.
50 to 20? Wow, that's a lot cheaper. GG.
I didn't know
guys.
it was like that, bro. But I don't really. I mean, I got cash, so okay.
Okay, bro, can you guys like get the keys, please?
I'm rich.
So
Yeah.
what have you been doing out, bro? What you been
Well, I'm
doing?
being with my friends, bro.
Like, what were you guys up to, bro? Some tomfoolery?
Gang.
Nah, bro. We were spying on Obama.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that bro.
Oh, Buddha is here, bro.
Aynen.
Oğlum Baran az önce şey aldım
What is he
ben.
wearing? What is he wearing?
Bomb.
He's wearing like the little.
I'm
dirty,
naked though.
dirty-
What do you mean?
Naked? Sneak peek, sneak peek.
No.
Kardeşim. No. Bro. Obama.
Yes.
Bro, I don't know your brother was Erdogan.
Yeah.
That's
It is.
Uh,
It is.
How does this guy know that, bro?
I was spying on him and I just realized, you know. I saw him.
Dude, like
That's
my
very
big,
creepy,
my
Svante,
big
that's very
brother,
creepy,
like.
bro. Can't believe you, bro. The blue orb here.
This is why we're so rich, by the way. Like this is why.
Oh,
I mean, I told him that Swedish people are really cool,
Uh-huh.
but he said they're
Wasn't-
atheists. So I said okay. Bomb.
I said,
I said right foot.
Ryan Creek and what the one here. Well, so, have you guys even done anything else than play today?
I went
No.
out in the morning.
Wow. Crazy.
I went out for like 4 hours or something. GG.
Yeah, Ryan, bro.
I feel really sick today. I just sat at my home.
You
Yeah.
said you were sick
But
last time.
I'm not sick, so I'm good. I feel like
You're so cool.
sick, but not sick. I'm crazy. Bro.
GG.
You're banned.
GG.
Have you, what did you play with the artifact?
Which one?
The Titanic.
No, that one sucks.
It sucks.
Is
I
it?
mean,
Isn't it random?
you
one?
randomly, it's like ABA random, bro. You just pick it, and then you get a random character at the start of the round.
That is like
At the beginning, that's it. Just play, you play with that for the rest of the game.
that's like the stupidest shit I've ever seen in my life.
What? GG. Can't believe it.
My favorite is Swedish streets, bro.
Sure.
Here we are, man.
This is like Silent Hill.
Whoa.
Start running. In the
Start running, yeah.
in the mist.
I'm running, bro. I'm running.
Oh, yo,
He's giving the running
bro, how
attack.
fast is that, bro? Is that the new Olympic record?
Flash.
Oh,
Yeah, bro. He's in Bolt, bro.
wow. I'm quite impressed by this.
I think he's just getting
Not gonna
back
lie.
shots.
What? Yo, is that true? No, it's not. Sneak peek, sneak peek. What's that? A park?
Ooh, grass.
Whoa. Whoa.
I've never seen something like that in my life.
Me too.
Yeah.
Pretty shocked.
Can you guess why? Oh.
No.
I read manga.
Yeah, me neither, bro.
I read manga. That's
I guess I'm blind.
Yeah. You just too blind about the fat on your face.
Okay.
Scream in public restroom prank. Can you scream in the middle of the street right now? Like
I'm like,
say Baba Yaga and just scream.
Oh, it's me.
can't you scream for me, bro, please?
No, my dad's gonna kill me if I do.
Man, this is gonna beat me. Oh no.
I mean, I'd rather scream out in public than I'd scream in my house while my dad is here.
Bro, your dad is beating you with the belt.
No, but he's gonna be like, "Are you fucking retarded?" And how am I supposed to explain?
Yes.
How am I
Whoa.
supposed to explain what?
Say yes, it's crazy.
I know it's
Nah, bro. You don't admit to it that easily, guys. Never admit easily. Oh,
never admit easy.
never
Oh,
admit easy.
Never admit you're easy.
no, you're
Admit that you're hard all the time.
Okay.
That's the first.
rude, bro, rude.
To be honest, I am right now.
Oh man, I hate walking.
What do you
I-
mean, bro?
I love walking,
Weren't
dude.
you like going on a run every time? Like,
Well, I was walking for like 2 months this or 1 mile each day.
well, each day.
I'm
and
gonna
now
get
it's like,
the-
Oh,
Did somebody fucking die? Ah, okay, I mean.
Yeah, get on. Jesus. Okay.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
I want the challenge of the
Very
mountains. Very
No,
bomb,
no,
very
no,
bomb.
please.
Well,
Please, bro. I
too late. Trying to strike a chord and it's probably a minor.
My fucking leg hurts, bro.
What, bro?
Why does your knee hurt? What? Just from what?
I've been doing too much leg presses, bro.
Oh, bro. That thing is gonna snap one day, bro. Careful.
No, I'm getting too strong.
Exactly.
Nah, I think it's gonna snap if it's hurting by walking, man. It's not a good, not a good sign, man.
I have to drink more milk.
If you've done too much and you just like take a walk, then it has to hurt. What the fuck?
Like, well, I have been walking for like a mile for like 2 days straight.
Talking
Yes.
kilometers. We're not fucking gay.
Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Did you say a mile?
Yeah.
Fuck is a mile, bro?
For real, bro. Fucking retard.
What do you say, like a babushka?
No, say kilometer. Like a normal intelligent human being. Retard.
How much is 10 kilometers now?
And I'm asking you, to be honest.
A mile, bro.
I'm not.
10 meters.
I'm
Oh,
not.
God,
I'm not.
Kardeşim.
I'm not. Kardeşim, kardeşim, kardeşim.
Oh man, this mountain. Obama, mountain.
What?
Mountain.
What's the problem?
GG, bro. GG, bro. GG, bro.
You're not dying,
Are
are
you
you?
dead? I think so. Thanks for dying, Obama.
1 mile is one of the minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, darling.
Привет.
What is in Russia?
Dude, there's so many like shit stacking on them.
Me out.
Like
What?
it's going crazy. There's so many shit we're stacking on them. Like it's going
Bro,
crazy.
please let me some. I'm stuck in airtime, bro.
Dude, I got 3. You got 3. Fucking
Oh
hell.
my goodness. Let me smash.
Hannah, show me your belly.
What?
This work. Swear this work, bro. Should I get the camera on, guys?
What did you want him to show you?
His belly.
Oh no, it's GG, bro.
You